All right, so today we're going to be talking about using AI for our everyday lives. So this includes automating emails, making lists, and more. So we'll explore how AI tools can help us automate common daily tasks like writing emails, organizing our schedules, creating lists, and other things as well. So we're going to be talking about some basics of AI, writing and email tools, lists and reminders, scheduling and organization, safety and limitations. And we'll begin with how AI works and then explore common ways people use it daily. So, what is everyday AI automation? AI helps complete repetitive tasks. It organizes our information automatically. It saves our time and it requires less effort, and it's found in many modern apps. AI automation means technology helps us complete tasks automatically with less effort from the user. So, a brief history of everyday AI is that early digital assistants appeared in the 1990s. Smartphones introduced smart assistants. AI writing tools, they grew in the 2010s, and modern AI now it can automate many daily tasks. So it started with simple assistants and reminders, but today AI can help us manage emails, schedules, and our daily organization. So some popular everyday AI tools you've probably heard of before are ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, and Google Keep. So these AI tools help us with writing, reminders, note-taking, and organizing everyday activities. So first we'll talk about AI for writing your emails. So AI can draft your emails quickly. It fixes your grammar and your spelling. It suggests professional wording and it saves typing time. AI writing tools can help create emails faster and they improve the clarity of the message and the grammar. So an example prompt you would give to AI would be write a polite email asking to reschedule an appointment. You can ask AI tools for help writing emails in plain language, even if you are unsure how to word them. AI email summaries. AI can summarize some of the long emails. It highlights important details, it saves your reading time, and it helps organize messages in your inbox. Some AI tools can summarize long emails so users can quickly understand the key information. So if you get like a very long like newsletter or like a big email from work, most AIs allow you to summarize them easily. Um, so AI can also help us create to-do lists. It creates task lists, it organizes your priorities, it sets reminders, and it tracks completed tasks. AI tools can help us organize daily responsibilities, and obviously that helps you reduce your forgetfulness. Um, an example to-do list prompt would be create a simple weekend cleaning checklist. And AI can quickly generate this for any tasks, errands, or daily activities. Like in this picture, you can see like um what it's like what you should do. So on Saturday it says you can like deep clean, and then Sunday you can like do laundry and stuff. AI shopping lists can help you with grocery planning, your budget organization. It can help plan your meals and it can you can share this with your family so like more than one people can see the same list at the same time. AI shopping tools can help you organize grocery lists and plan purchases more efficiently. AI scheduling tools. So AI can set these schedules and it can set reminders in your calendar. So, and then you can set that to like pop up as a notification uh whenever you want, like a day before, 2 days before, 30 minutes before. And then it schedules some appointments for you. It can help with your daily planning and it can assist with your time management. AI scheduling tools can organize events, reminders, and daily plans automatically. So, scheduling prompt, an example would be create a simple daily schedule with exercise and meal reminders. AI assistants can help you organize routines and improve your time management. So, for example, here, you can ask ChatGPT for a workout, and then it gives you like warm up workouts, and then like you can even request like a cool down. And then we have AI voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant, and then Siri. So, voice assistants can help you set reminders, answer questions, and then automate daily tasks hands-free. Like, turn on that light. You can ask Alexa to do it if you have it set up. Everyday tasks AI can help with include reminders, recipes, weather updates, notes and lists, and travel planning. AI assistants can simplify many everyday activities and save time throughout the day. So some AIs are paid and some are free. There are many free options available, and but paid plans are the available features plus more features. Some tools limit your usage if you don't have the paid subscription, and the subscription pricing varies. Most people can start with free AI tools before deciding whether paid features are useful. So some pricing examples, ChatGPT Plus is about like $20 a month, both in US and Canada. Microsoft Copilot Basic is often free. Google Gemini Basic, free options are available. And then many reminder apps are free. So many AI productivity tools offer free versions with optional paid upgrades. Um, for example, ChatGPT, like we all know you can use that for free. Just if you pay, you just get more benefits and like more features. I know the first three, like they're all free. The basic versions are all free, just like the plus versions, you gotta pay some money. Some benefits of daily AI is that it saves time, it reduces repetitive work, it improves your organization, and it simplifies communication.
Yeah.
AI tools can make everyday routines feel less stressful and more organized. Some limitations of AI tools is that AI may make mistakes. It's very common. Internet is usually required. Some tools cost money, and there are some privacy concerns. AI is helpful, but it still requires human judgment and verification for important tasks. So, some safety and privacy tips. Avoid sharing any sensitive information. Use trusted apps only. Double check your important emails before just sending them out. And review app permissions. So, protecting personal information is important when you use AI tools and assistants. In this infographic, it says it's okay to share photos that don't show addresses, account numbers, mail, or any other sensitive information. Reviews of places you've been to, and general life updates. Um, so things you should keep private are your social security number. Never put that into an AI. Your travel plans, your current location, your home address, your personal phone numbers, and you or your kid's school. And when it says travel plans, I want to be clear about that. You can help AI to help you plan a travel like day one, day two. Don't tell it I am going to Chicago on July 23rd. Like, don't do that. It does not need to know. You can just say, what can I do in Chicago for one day? Like, that would be more of an appropriate AI prompt than I'm going to Chicago on July 23rd. What can I do there? That you don't, it doesn't need to know that. Some common problems of AI are incorrect responses. If the app is not loading, and then reminder notifications aren't working, and then voice assistants can sometimes misunderstand your words. Most AI tools, most AI tool issues are simple and can often be solved with updates or by restarting the app. So simple troubleshooting tips. One, restart the app, close the app completely, and reopen it to refresh the system. The second thing you might want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure your phone or computer is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Update your app. Open the App Store or Google Play and install any available updates. And review your permissions and settings. Check your phone settings to make sure the app has permission to use notifications, microphone, or internet access if needed. If you check all four of these and you go on to like it still doesn't work, I would say completely power off your device and restart your device. And if that doesn't work, contact the provider. Some key takeaways of today's presentations is that AI can automate everyday tasks. It's useful for emails, lists, and schedules. Many beginner-friendly tools exist, and privacy and accuracy are important. So AI tools can help you simplify daily life when used responsibly and thoughtfully, and make sure you like double check any important information.